May you be blessed with an ever-expanding life.
Hi, this is Billy back again with our Bolens lawn tractor. Today we're going to make a repair to the deck. One of our supports has broken loose, so we're going to need to drop this deck and do a welding repair. Stick around if you want to see how we drop this deck. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out all of our content on our website, everexpandinglife.com. Let's get to it. Okay, so we're going to start by taking off the pin from the back left of the deck. So that frees up the left back. The back right bracket is broken. So I'm going to take out that pin to release the back right side of the deck. Looks like the little type, looks like this cotter pin like piece has been pushed through too far. Let's see if we can get it back out. Middle position. I'm going to pull the bottom down, ease that out the top. Here's the part that broke off. I'm going to need to reattach that there. So the deck is still hooked in a couple places. One more thing to unhook in the back, and that is this cable. The cable is held in place in the back with a pin. Okay, that pin right there needs to be pulled. Now that pin is out, that cable can come out of that little bracket. So we're going to lift that out. There we go. So now that the cable is loose from that, we have to unhook it from up here. Unhook this spring. There's another little crossbar in here, and that little crossbar is going to prevent the spring from swinging up and detaching. So we're going to have to take that little pin out at the end of this brace here. There. There's a pin. Alright, now that bar can lift out of the way. The spring will come up and detach from the pulley. Okay. Yeah. We have a little bracket here by the front pulley that prevents the belt from dropping. So we're going to push this bar in and then pull it down. This should allow us to get this belt off. There we go. Now I need to detach the front of the deck from this support rod. And we're going to do that by easing the deck forward and lifting it. The whole deck should push forward. Now you get this front support out. There we go. Now the front one's released. Okay, so now we've got it completely disconnected. So to recap, we disconnected both of these back brackets. We unhooked the cable. We disconnected the bracket that held the belt in place, and we dropped the belt, and then we disconnected the front. So now the deck will just pull out from under. Watch these little supports. They'll get caught as you're pulling the deck out. Okay, there it is. So now I can give you a little better look at what I just did. The rear support was connected here. We took out the little cotter pin and pulled out the bar. Here's where the other one goes. So this is where the other support bar would have been. And the pin, the cable with the spring was attached right here to this little hole. This bracket held it down. The cable was secured here. So now comes the welding job. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like, share, and subscribe. And be sure to check out all of our content on our website, everexpandinglife.com.
Ever expanding.